how to enable type to Siri like that. So for that you need iOS 18.1. If you already have, then go to setting, then Apple Intelligence and Siri, then go to type and talk to Siri. Just enable this option. If it's disabled, it's not working. When you enable it, then you're able to access this option. So it's for Apple Intelligent, and if you don't have the Apple Intelligent, suppose you don't have Apple Intelligent, then go back and you have to go the accessibility. Then from here open your Siri and press on type to Siri. Now if you press on this button two time, sorry, then you are able to type here. So that's it. This is how you can easily access type to Siri on your iPhone. Thank you. Have a good day.